I see a lot of women in my office in Fort Worth for breast reductions, and why not? Breast reductions can lead to fabulous results, improvements in back pain, neck pain, shoulder pain. Really fantastic. And maybe even more fantastic is people tend to look better, and if they're looking better, they really are feeling better. Everybody I see wants to know, do I get a lift out of my breast reduction? Short answer to that is, yeah, almost always. You get a pretty substantial lift. There are a couple components to a breast lift that I wanted to talk about. One, first, is the nipples. Do we move the nipples up? Yes, almost always we move them quite a bit. If you look at these photos, you'll see one thing we really look at is where the bra line is, the crease that exists below the breast. We want to make the nipples be a little bit above that bra line. If you start out and your nipples are really way down, we're going to move them up. If they're just a little bit low, we're still going to move them up a bit. So that's one component to a breast lift that takes place in almost everybody with a breast reduction. The next thing is the bottom of the breast, and truthfully, that's where a ton of the action is with the breast reduction. There's a lot of weight in the bottom of the breast, and we move the bottom of the breast up quite a bit as well, and you can see that in these photographs. These are patients of mine. Your results would certainly be a little different than their results. I'm showing you that not because you'll look like them, but to help you understand it. Look at where the breasts are, the nipples, the bottom of the breast in relation to the elbow creases before and after the operation. And if you're thinking about going through breast reduction surgery, try it yourself. Next time you take a shower, stand in front of a mirror with your arms down by your sides and look at your breasts. Look and see where your nipples are and where the bottom of your breasts are in relation to your elbow creases. And remember these photographs that show you some degree of change that we tend to see with most of our breast reduction patients. If you're thinking about breast reductions, we'd love to see you in our office here in Fort Worth. In Fort Worth, keeping it beautiful, I'm Kelly Kunkel.